Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening a supported browser and going to Earth. Google. Sign in so your work saves automatically. Once signed in, allow location and enable 3D buildings to get realistic terrain and context. Use the search box immediately to jump to coordinates or place names, then click the compass to orient north. This quick setup gets you into the map layer you need and ensures projects and measuring tools will store correctly to your account for the next steps. Now you navigate and construct your view. Drag to pan, scroll to zoom, and hold right mouse or two fingers to tilt and rotate. This reveals 3D depth. Toggle layers to compare satellite imagery, borders, and terrain, because seeing labels versus raw imagery clarifies what to annotate. Create a project and add place marks, lines, or polygons to mark routes or areas. Write concise descriptions to explain why each point matters. Once done, use the measuring tool to check distances and areas for accuracy. Finish by saving and exporting. Open your project menu and choose Export as KML or KMZ to backup or use in other apps. You can share a viewable or editable link so collaborators open exactly what you see. Make sure to set permissions. To present, use Show in Earth and use Capture Image to grab high-res screenshots. If something goes wrong, layers not loading or 3D missing, clear your browser cache, update the browser, or try an alternate supported browser as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.